What's up, my fellow jewelers? Today I got a little chunky for you, I got a little sparkle, and I got a little just goodness all around. We are doing this fabulous, chunky, cute necklace. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. So many layers. There's three layers to it, and it's just fabulousness. Ooh, and I haven't promised it to nobody, so I'm keeping it for myself this time. That's right. Before we get started, I just want to let you know that I am doing a free giveaway. I am giving away this necklace for free. So for details, meet me at the end of this video, and I will tell you how you can enter in to win this necklace. It's not just one necklace. This is a 4-in-1 necklace. That's right. These are 3 necklaces that I've put together on a ribbon, and so it's a 4-in-1 necklace. So again, meet me at the end of the video, but let's get started with making this beauty for the day. Okay, come on, let's go. So this is what you're going to need for this fabulous blingin' necklace. You always need your tools. So I got my long nose pliers and my round nose pliers. I have my cutter tools, my jeweler cutter tools, and my electrician cutter tools. For material, you have chain. I have, for the main necklace part, is 17 inches. And then for the layers, I have an 8.5 inch chain and then a 10-inch chain. I have 12 cute beads, and for every bead you're gonna need a head pin, so you're gonna need 12 head pins. And then I have my lobster clasp for my clasp to hook my necklace together, and then I need 5 split rings. I actually added a 6th one just in case, but I need 5 split rings. So this is it. It's pretty simple. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to put my head pins in my bead. For every bead, I'm gonna put 1 loop on the side of the bead. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your head pin and you're going to put it through your bead. You just want 1 loop on the side of the bead. I don't want the loop to be very big, so I'm going to cut a lot of the wire off. I'm going to cut the wire, and then I am going to get my round nose pliers and bend that wire back at a 90-degree angle, and then put the wire at the far end of my round nose, because the far end is the smallest end, which you can see tapers to a bigger side, and so the smaller end will make a smaller loop, and this will make the middle of the round nose pliers will make a medium-sized loop, and the end will make a big loop. So I am going to make a smaller loop, so I'm going to go and I'm going to loop it around. I'm going to curve my loop. That's right. Curve it just like that. So I have a loop on my bead. So just 1 loop on the bead, and I'm going to do that for all 12 beads. Now, to save time, I've already done this. Haha, I am on a roll. So the next thing I want to do is I want to take my 17-inch chain. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to get it in half because I am trying to find the center of my chain. And with the center of my chain, I'm going to put my first bead on. I'm going to have 3 beads on one layer, 4 beads on the next layer, and then 5 beads on the next. So I'm going to take my first bead, find the center link for my necklace, and I'm going to put my loop through that center chain just like that. I'm going to close up my gap. Make sure you have no gap when it comes to connecting your bead to your chain. And see, do you see that? Ah, I love it. It's happening already. I'm starting to see the necklace. So I've made my first loop. I've connected it to the first link on my chain. The next thing I want to do is my chain link's kind of a medium link size. And so I am going to count 5 links over and put my next bead. So I have my next bead, and I'm going to take 5 links. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm not counting the link that the bead is already on. I'm going 1 over from that bead. And I'm going 5 over, and I am putting my bead through. Yeah, just like that, just like that, just like that. Ah, so cute. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to go with my center bead. I'm going to count 1 over from my center bead of the link. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put this bead on the 5th link away from the center bead. And I'm going to curl it up. And just like that, my necklace is starting to form. You could end there and make the cutest necklace ever, but I like layers. I like making more intricate necklace. So the next thing I will do is I am going to take my 8.5-inch chain and I'm going to connect it to my necklace. Now I've already decided where I want the chain, how I want the beads to go, and so I've counted 22 links over, and that is where the long chain is going to go, but I am going to go 23 links over. So what I'm going to do is I got my split ring. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to connect that 8.5-inch chain to my 17-inch chain. So we're going to do 17-inch chain. I'm going to put it through, get the link in, and I'm going to close it up. Yeah, so I've counted 23, actually 23 links in. I've put my first chain, which is 8.5 inches, and then I'm going to take the other side and put my split ring in. So I've connected my chain. Now I could connect my other chain, but I'm just going to wait until I put all my beads on. So I've connected my chain. It's looking fabulous, just like that, looking fabulous. So now I don't want to put a bead under a bead. I want to kind of space them out. So I am going to put my beads where they're exactly in between them. So I'm going to, put this here. So they're not directly under each other. And then I'm going to go 5 over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put this bead on the 5th one. And I'm going to close it up. Close my hoop up. Haha, it's coming together. Coming together. And I'm going to count 5 over here and put a bead. I'm going to put 5 over here and put a bead. So go ahead and do that. Ha! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to take the next chain I have, which is 10 inches, and I'm going to connect it with my split ring onto my 22nd chain from the end to the middle when I count. So I'm counting from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going all the way to 22. So I get my split ring. I'm doing 22 links because that's what I want to do for this necklace. Now, you may have different size links for your necklace, and you may decide that 22 is not the right number for you. Just do it according to what link size you have. You may count less links or you may have more links. But for me and this size, 22 from the end over is perfect to where I put my next chain. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. So now with this one, I have 5 beads that I want to put on. So I'm going to find the center to that chain. I'm going to find the center to that chain, and I'm going to put a bead right on the center link of that chain. Yeah, haha, looking so stinking cute, y'all, looking cute. And now what I'm going to do is I have 4 more to put on, so I'm going to keep going 5 over. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put a bead, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put a bead, and go on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put a bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put a bead. So go ahead and do that. Oh, look at that. So the only last step we need to do is put a clasp on it, because without a clasp we really don't have a necklace because we can't really hook it to anything. So I'm going to take my split ring, I'm going to open it up, open it up, open it up, open it up. I'm going to put my lobster clasp through. Make sure you try your lobster clasp out to see if it works, because if you put it on and it's broken, then you're going to have to redo the whole thing and blah, blah, blah. So you want to make sure your lobster clasp works. Putting my split ring through and then closing my split ring up. And because it's a chain link, I don't even need to put anything else because it's going to be like a adjustable necklace. So I can put the lobster clasp through any of the links. And there, my friend Jewelers, is your fabulous necklace. Oh, look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I gotta keep it. I'm not giving it. Okay, if someone asks, I totally give it to them. But whatever. Isn't this so cute? And it's so easy. It's so cute. It's so easy. I really wanted to go chunky this week, and I have fulfilled my desire of making a chunky necklace. So let's talk about the free giveaway. The free giveaway is this necklace. So I am giving away this fabulous free necklace to a winner for free. So all you have to do to enter in is you can enter in twice a week. I'm going to pick the winner at the end of this month. So what you're going to do is to enter in, all you have to do is comment on my video on YouTube or a picture on my Facebook or a picture on my Instagram. That's all you have to do. Twice. You just have to comment twice, not on the same video, not on the same photo, but comment twice, and you can have your name entered 2 times for this week. It can only be a January 2018 video. You can't go back to 2017 or March of last year or whatever. It has to be a 2018 video or 2018 photo on my Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Oh my gosh. And that's how you can enter to win. And I already have people that have entered their names because they've commented on my videos, so go ahead, comment, and then your name can be entered in the drawing for this. But that's all I got for you guys today. Isn't this so cute? Oh gosh, this is so cute. I love it. I just want to stare. I'm gonna stare at it. Just give me a second. Yep, I love it. All right, so that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to know when I post other videos of how-to jewelry making, you can subscribe. Click right here to subscribe to my channel. So here's a video of mine, and here's another video of mine of different jewelry pieces I have made that I teach you how to make as well. So I'd love for you to comment on this video, share with somebody else, and then give me a big old thumbs up. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks so much, and I love you. Mwah! I'll talk to you later. Bye!